Cover. Genius AI is a game-changing software that just hit the market, and in this review, we're going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're new to AI tools or looking for the latest innovations to boost your productivity, this software promises some big things, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if it's worth your time. Stick around till the end, because I've got a special bonus for you that might change how you view AI tools forever. First off, Cover Genius AI is all about streamlining processes and boosting efficiency. This software stands out with its ability to adapt to various business needs, whether you're in e-commerce, content creation, or customer support. The flexibility here is key. Cover. Genius AI can integrate with several platforms seamlessly, making it easy to adopt into your current workflows without major overhauls. Now, what really separates Cover Genius AI from others is its unique machine learning capabilities. It's designed to understand your specific needs and learn from your actions, improving the more you use it. So, the more data you feed into it, the more intuitive and accurate it becomes. This is crucial for anyone looking for software that doesn't just offer static, one-size-fits-all solutions, but evolves with your business. One of the things I found particularly impressive is the user-friendly interface. Despite being packed with powerful AI tools, Cover Genius is incredibly easy to use. There's no steep learning curve, and you can start seeing the benefits almost immediately. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an expert in digital tools. This software is designed to cater to everyone. Another big selling point is its customer support. We all know that no software is perfect from day one, but with Cover Genius AI, you're not left in the dark. The team is responsive and proactive, ensuring that if you hit a bump, there's always someone ready to help. Plus, they offer a detailed knowledge base, so you can solve most problems yourself without waiting for assistance. Speaking of integrations, Cover Genius AI offers some solid connections with popular platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and more. This makes it incredibly versatile, especially if you're already using these platforms for your business. With seamless integration, you can pull in customer data, automate processes, and analyze trends all in one place. What about security? In this day and age, you can't afford to use software that compromises your data. Fortunately, Cover Genius AI takes security seriously with end-to-end encryption and other cutting-edge security measures to keep your data safe. This is especially important if you're dealing with sensitive customer information or personal data. Finally, the pricing structure. Cover Genius AI offers a free trial, which means you can test it out without committing right away. This is huge, especially for business owners or individuals who are hesitant about trying new AI software. You can get a feel for its capabilities and decide if it's the right fit for your needs. But remember, the free version gives you limited access to features, so you'll want to upgrade if you're looking for the full experience. I highly recommend trying Cover Genius AI for yourself, and you can do so for free by clicking the link in the description below. If you're looking for more AI tools to optimize your workflow, check out my recommended list of AI software. I've tested thousands of them, and these are the ones that stand out. So, if you're looking for cutting-edge AI that's easy to use, adaptable, and packed with features, Cover Genius AI might be exactly what you need to level up your business operations.